Hello everyone, so today we're going to be making an Among Us character. So first you need your sketches. Here, this is my sketch idea, my engineering sketches, and my engineering sketches for the hat. And then once you have all of this, you want to go into Fusion. First, you want to save your file as Among Us, and then right click here, select new component, and name it main body. Then press OK. Once you have that, you want to open this up, then select create form, and you want to select box, and then select the bottom plane. How do you know which one is the bottom? It says top here, front, right. So the bottom one here is that part. So if you rotate this, it says bottom. And then select the center. So the first thing we'll make is going to be the main body. So the upper half here. So that's going to be 15 by 20 by 29. So 15 by 20, click with your mouse, and 29. And you want to make length faces 1, width faces 2, and height faces 2. Then press OK. Once you have that, you want to move the body number 1 up, and then create another box. Select the bottom face, put it in the middle. The next part, we're going to be making the legs. So they are going to be 9 by 9 and 13. So 9 by 9, click, and 13. And the length faces is going to be 1, the width faces is going to be 1, and the height faces is going to be 10. Then press OK. And then what you want to do is right click here on body number 2, select move/copy, and then select create copy, go to the right view and move it to the right by 5, and press OK. And then select body number 2 again, right click, select move/copy, then move it to the left by -5, and press OK. Then you want to move body number 1 down. So it looks something like this. So where these two lines here almost connect, they should be near each other. Then press OK. And you may want to move your legs closer together because there's a gap here. This edge right here that's out, we don't want that. So we move it in slightly, a bit more. So maybe by 0.5. And minus 0.5. Like that. And now the next part, we're going to be making the backpack. So that's going to be 13 by 8 and by 12.5. So create another box, bottom. So it's going to be 13 by 8. Let's hide these bodies. You want 8 by 13 and then 13. And for the faces, it's going to be 2 by 4 by 4. It should be something like this. Then press OK, make everything else visible, and you want to move it. Go to the front view, move it left, then up, so that it lines up with the legs. So a bit more, so about here. And that looks fine. Yep, that's perfect. So next up, we want to make the face. So the face is going to be 9 by 15 and 10. So hide everything, box in the middle. So 9, 15, click, and 10. And for the faces, it's going to be 2, 3, and 1. Then press OK, show everything, and you want to move body number 5 to the front and up. So up about 21 and forward by 6. So it should look something like this. Press OK. And once you're happy with it, click on Finish Form. And you should get something like this. Then you want to press A on your keyboard for color. Let's get green. Like this. And get white. And that's the first part done.